in the Trump cabinet. And then at the same time, we're also watching on a global scale that the US dollar is getting stronger across the board. The US currency hit 2-year highs just yesterday. And that also suggests that we could have some weakness in US markets based on investors starting to add more dollars into their portfolio. But generally, we're still seeing big pickups and volatilities behind the scenes. It's not just in global markets, it's in foreign exchange, currencies, commodities, cryptocurrencies. We're seeing a lot of different action across different asset classes.
Well, you mentioned there the cryptocurrencies, Jameel, and Bitcoin, a bit of an uncontested winner since the re-election of Donald Trump.
Absolutely uncontested. It is unanimous. Bitcoin prices pointed towards 90,000 US dollars yesterday. That would be the first time ever that they touched 90,000. Of course, one of those huge pledges from the Trump campaign was that America would be made into the crypto capital of the world, which obviously appeases for this certain investors, Generation C, millennials. But as you know, institutions over the past 1 to 2 years have put more of an eye on cryptocurrencies. Of course, we still don't have the method behind how the United States is going to be made into the crypto capital, but it's sentiment driven. And now we are starting to touch 90,000. It's only going to be a matter of time before we see 100,000, for as long as we get plans as to how this new administration, when it's inaugurated early next year, is going to be able to develop America into the crypto capital of the world. But of course, on the headline, it sounds very good. And on headline, that's led to Bitcoin prices going up by more than 20% over the past couple of weeks.
And I have to say, listening to Jameel, I'm thinking it's time to maybe still invest in Bitcoin. However, there has been another big loser in recent days. It's gold.
Yes, so 1 month ago today, pretty much, gold prices hit the all-time high, close to 2,720 US dollars. Speaking today, we are coming towards below 2,600. So we're seeing specifically sharp drops since the US election fallout. I think there's a couple of different reasons. One, the US dollar has strengthened internationally, and gold is obviously denominated in dollars. But one of those Trump trades was also that we could see weaker gold prices, and that might be because of his promises and his pledges to also prevent and stop what is still very regrettable and unfortunate geopolitical conflicts. And I wonder if that's also contributing to investors taking some profit, or they are just putting more and more diversification of their portfolio into the US currency.
Okay, Jameel Ahmad, thanks very much indeed, as always, for bringing us your insight.